If you just got your Gyraline G2, this is the video for you. Let's get started.
Don't cut towards yourself.
Once you're in the box, you're gonna see this. Scan this code, and it'll take you to the website where you can download the app. Download that bad boy. Back to the tool. All G2s come with your choice of two different mounting options for your phone, a magnetic one and a pretty standard clamp. Also inside your box is gonna be a stick-on magnetic ring. This will allow your phone to use the magnetic one if you don't have it, because our favorite one is the magnetic one. Super easy, just screw it on, put your phone on there. Make sure your phone is lined up with the port. Then plug your phone in using the included cable. Now your phone is powering the sensors on board the device. After you get past the welcome screen, this is what the app is gonna look like. If you have a G2, well, you have a G2, just press sign in. You're gonna put in the email that you used to buy Gyraline with, and then press send sign in link. Go to your email and press sign in to Gyraline app, and it should take you straight back to the app. If it doesn't, you need to let us know so we can help you out. Now that you're signed in, press continue. You're gonna notice this screen. Go to your toolbox, into settings, and connect your G2. Now our G2 gets involved. Connect the device with the power cable, and you're gonna press connect on the Bluetooth status screen. You should see a menu come up that says device successfully claimed. Now you're ready to get to work. Place the device on level ground until you see your calibration quality go to great. This might require you to disconnect and reconnect it on a level surface. Mine says calibration quality is great, so I'm ready to go. Now we're ready to start taking measurements of all sorts on the car, so watch the next video for how to get started on that.